If you run your own Facebook, Instagram, or Google paid advertising, you would know that these platforms offer recommendations for you all day, every day. Now, just a word of caution with these recommendations that Google might send you or Facebook might send you. Even if you're on the phone with representatives from either these businesses, take their recommendations with a grain of salt, because the objective of these people and these machine recommendations is so that you spend more money on their platform. So yes, the recommendations can be helpful, and sometimes they are worth following and taking up their suggestions, but bear in mind your own advertising goals first. What is it that you want to achieve? And before you set their suggestions up, make sure it's actually aligned, because ultimately their goal is not to grow your business, but to grow theirs. So just keep an eye out. Just a word of warning, friends. I do take calls with the Google Ads specialists, with the Facebook Ads specialists, just to get another point of view, but I don't always take up their recommendations. So something to consider. If you'd like an audit of your Facebook ads or Google ads, let's set a time to have a chat, and I'll see if I can point you in the right directions. A link to booking a call with me is in the caption. Until next time, friends, bye for now.